Are you sold on Wilson as the QB1 for the foreseeable future?
I am sold on him. And listen, Robert Saleh's selling hope in his locker room, and Zach Wilson provided it. When they're playing the Chiefs, nobody expected this team. And by the way, down 17 to them, and to have the wherewithal to bring this team back, to make the plays that he made. Again, was he perfect? No. Will he be perfect? No. Is he going to be the reason you win? Unfortunately not. But what he can do is provide a lift for his football team, where now the defense that we liken to one of the better defenses, on paper before the season that you're going to have in the NFL. Special teams can play a part. We can make enough plays with our running backs and they have some shots down the field. But I like the progression of Zach Wilson because you're seeing him play better. And then against the Chiefs, it was on time. You saw progression reads when the back foot hit, the ball was coming out. He wasn't taking unnecessary hits. He followed along in the game plan, which, again, you saw, there aren't moral victories in the NFL. I 100% agree with that. But there are some moral victories that you take to the locker room, and that's what's solid. He was begging for this type of performance. So when you're talking about, is it going to be Trevor Siemian? No. Obviously, you're waiting on Aaron Rodgers to come back. But in the interim, he does provide you the best chance to win, and he proved it. And I think that to Saleh it just goes light years for his locker room, because you did see excitement, although they didn't finish it off. You did see excitement in their locker room and their football team, which you had not. It got very hopeless for a few weeks, and now all of a sudden there's some hope in there, so I think that's the direction they're going.
Will you stop?
No, sir, I won't.
Will you stop? I mean, come on, man. Look,
hope dealing, baby. Hope dealing.
This is where people like myself, we get excoriated, because people like you set us up where it's like, wait a minute, you're saying such ridiculous stuff that we come in, we look like we the Grinch that stole Christmas. Listen. Zach Wilson, there's hope. I get where you're coming from. But to say sold on him being your QB1 for the foreseeable future, 4 touchdowns, 4 interceptions, 58% completion percentage, it wasn't until 2 days ago that we even thought about anything potential with him. We were done with him.
Yeah.
We said, this dude is just hot garbage. I mean, so he showed up on a Sunday afternoon, or evening rather, and obviously he was better than we've grown accustomed to seeing him. And one game.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes when you're dealing in the hope business, Stephen A. You got to deal in the hope business.
You mean prayer business? That's what we're talking about here, Shannon Sharpe. We're talking about prayer. We're talking about divine intervention. We're talking about literally going out to the tunnel, coming out from the tunnel and going like this, Lord, please. You're usually praying for good health. You just want to get on the field. You want to perform well. You want to make sure that you get out of there healthy. But in Zach Wilson's case, you're praying for productivity, literally praying for productivity. And you're going to say, come on now, the QB1 sold on him for the future?
Sold on him.
Come on, y'all. Come on, Jeff. Stop that, man. Go ahead, Shannon.
I don't really think they have a choice, but it's funny how they'll look at 3.5 quarters and disregard the last 2.5 years. So we're going to look at 3.5 quarters of one game, but we're not going to look at the large sample size for two seasons. There's a reason why they went and got Aaron Rodgers. If you thought, there were times that he's played good in games, and you're like, okay, but what has he shown you? We are what we repeatedly do. Therefore, it's not an act, it's a habit. He has a habit of playing bad. Because the last 3 drives, Friday, let me tell you what he did on his last 3 drives. He went punt,
Don't do it.
3 and out, punt, fumble. But that's your hope. That's your hope.
But hold up.
Punt, 3 and out, punt, fumble.
Y'all can't frame me like that. I ain't gonna let y'all do me like this. I ain't gonna let you frame. Listen, they made the right move. They brought Aaron Rodgers in. They did the right thing. I'm not telling you Zach Wilson is going to be the quarterback for the Jets for the next 5 years. I'm telling you the situation they find themselves in because of an unfortunate injury 4 plays in to Aaron Rodgers' season means that Zach Wilson is the next man up. And if you were in the hope dealing, but Shannon, you and I have lived in that locker room, man. Yeah. Them days get long and they get ugly. Like, listen, I remember the year Peyton Manning was injured, and whether it was Curtis Painter, Kerry Collins, you name. Hey, them are some tough days now. You're showing up to work, the car don't want to start, the cold hurts, everything feels worse. They got a little breath of fresh air, bro. Even if you play somewhat like that, that's what Robert Saleh, he was grasping at that, going, please give me something to hold on to. He found it. He's in the hope deal of minutes. You're trying to kill dreams out here, Stephen. Kill dreams, devastate New Yorkers. I'm going to fight for your people. I'm fighting for your people.
I wouldn't do that. What I'm saying is the operative word is sold. Now, you said hope on Zach Wilson as the QB for the foreseeable future. No problem. But you said sold. There's a difference, Jeff.
You can't sell it as hope in the locker room. You got to say sold in the locker room. Hope behind closed doors. Sold in the locker room.
All right,
hope.
All right.
Sold. That's where you got to give it to him.
That's better.
Okay, that's where you got to give it to him.
Hold on. Put Jeff Saturday on the camera and do that again. Do that again.
Hope.
There we go.
Sold.
All right,
Sold. Zach Wilson's taking us on. We're going to the playoffs.
That's right.
Man, we better hope now. We got to hope and pray. Hope and pray. Do some prayers too. I'm with you.
That's exactly how coaches sell it. That's exactly how they sell it.
That's all I'm trying to say,
I sure hope. I sure hope we can go out there and make some plays.
That's all I'm trying to say.
Zach Wilson's going to go out there. Robert Saleh's doing a great job. Man, Zach's going to go out there and he's going to play his tail off. I sure hope that happens. Oh, man.